How to buy Ailive token, AIV overview, the future of AI on blockchain. Hey everyone, in today's video, we're diving into the Ailive token, AIV, a token on the Solana blockchain that is currently performing well in the market. The token is seeing significant attention with a large market cap and a massive 24-hour trading volume. We'll go over what Ailive is trying to achieve, how you can get your hands on the token, and everything you need to know before considering it for investment. Disclaimer. First off, a quick reminder. I am not a financial advisor. This video is purely informational. Make sure to do your own research, DIY, before making any investment decisions, especially in the volatile world of cryptocurrency. What is Ailive token, AIV? Ailive is a groundbreaking project that merges artificial intelligence, AI, with blockchain technology to make AI accessible to the public. Here's what the project is all about. Mission: Ailive aims to democratize machine learning and AI by providing an intuitive platform for individuals to experiment, learn, and deploy their own 3D AI agents. AI agents. The project introduces a new paradigm in AI, where agents begin as infants and evolve through various life stages, learning and improving over time. This innovative approach allows for real-time evolution of AI agents that can tackle complex real-world problems. Blockchain plus gamification. By combining blockchain with gamification in marketplaces, Ailive creates an ecosystem where users can interact, innovate, and engage in economic activity, all while learning about and advancing machine learning. Key features of Ailive. Transparency. Ailive is the first documented instance where AI agents evolve through human-like stages, from crawling to complex social interactions, making the entire process transparent and engaging. User empowerment. The platform removes the usual technical barriers in AI development, offering an integrated framework that's intuitive and well-documented for all levels of users, including those with no technical background. Reinforcement learning. The AI agents on the platform learn through reinforcement learning, a method where they interact with their environment and get rewards or penalties based on their actions, allowing them to make better decisions over time. Ailive token utility, AIV. The Ailive token, AIV, serves as the backbone for transactions within the Ailive ecosystem. Here's how the token could be used. Access and engagement. Token holders may gain access to premium features, such as advanced tools for training and deploying AI agents. Governance. Token holders could have governance rights to vote on platform upgrades, changes, or new features. Marketplace integration. The token might be used within the platform's marketplace, allowing users to trade AI agents, training data, or AI-driven services. Incentives. By participating in the ecosystem, whether through training AI agents or contributing to the community, users might receive AIV tokens as rewards. How to buy Ailive token, AIV? If you want to buy the AIV token, here's a step-by-step guide. Get a compatible wallet. You'll need a wallet that supports Solana-based tokens, such as Phantom Wallet, Solflare Wallet, Solet Wallet. Fund your wallet with SOL. Purchase Solana, SOL, on a centralized exchange like Binance or Coinbase, and transfer it to your wallet. You will use SOL to purchase AIV tokens. Connect to a DEX. Use a decentralized exchange, DEX, like Raydium to swap your SOL for Ailive tokens, AIV. Make sure to use the correct contract address for AIV, which can be found on the Ailive official website, DEX screener, or their documentation. Complete the swap. Using the correct contract address, trade your SOL for AIV tokens. You might need to adjust slippage settings depending on market conditions. Ailive tokenomics. Total supply: 1 billion AIV tokens. Distribution: 92.5% for fair launch, 7.5% allocated to team treasury. This means that the majority of the token supply is available to the public, ensuring a fair and decentralized distribution. Market performance. As of today, the Ailive token is performing quite well. Market cap: $1.8 million. 24-hour trading volume: $107 million. Huge trading volume. Liquidity: $61,000 on Raydium. Liquidity locked and burned: 99.67% of the liquidity is locked and burned, which adds a layer of security to the project. Ailive's vision. The ultimate goal of Ailive is to create a self-sustaining ecosystem where innovation thrives. By offering tools, documentation, and community support, the platform empowers users to create intelligent applications with AI agents that can solve real-world problems. The integration of blockchain will also enable users to trade and interact with AI agents, creating an economic and social ecosystem around them. Ailive is making AI accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. This is something that many AI platforms lack, as most require specialized knowledge and expensive computational resources. The power of reinforcement learning. Ailive uses reinforcement learning (RL) to enable AI agents to learn optimal behavior through trial and error. Key components of RL include agent, the learner or decision maker; environment, everything the agent interacts with; state, a specific situation the agent finds itself in; action, all possible moves the agent can make; reward, feedback from the environment based on the agent's action. By focusing on reinforcement learning, Ailive's AI agents can evolve and adapt to new challenges, becoming smarter over time. Risks to consider. As with any investment in cryptocurrency, there are inherent risks. Volatility. Ailive, like most tokens, is subject to high market volatility. Prices can fluctuate significantly in a short time. Market adoption. While the project has an ambitious vision, its success depends on widespread adoption and user engagement, which is not guaranteed. Technical barriers. Even though the platform aims to be user-friendly, it's still a highly technical field and might not appeal to everyone. Final thoughts. Ailive, is an intriguing project that combines artificial intelligence with blockchain technology to create an ecosystem where users can train and interact with AI agents. The token has been performing well in the market, and its fair distribution model and transparency could make it an appealing project for both AI enthusiasts and crypto investors. If you believe in the potential of democratizing AI and machine learning, Ailive might be worth a closer look. However, as with any investment, always do your own research before committing. Let me know what you think of the Ailive token in the comments. Is this a project you're excited about? Or do you think it's too risky? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get daily crypto updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace out.